Open Google Chrome and type toffeeshare.com in the search bar. Once the first website appears, click on it and it will open. Here, you can send any type of file, whether it's 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, or even 1000 gigabytes, without any size limit. Simply click on the Select File option and choose the file you want to send. For example, let's say I have a Jurassic World movie file, which is around 3 gigabytes, and I want to send it. Simply select the file and wait for a moment as the link is generated. Once the link is ready, click on the Share button and select the platform through which you want to share it. For example, if you want to send it via WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, select the contact you want to share the file with, and hit Send. The recipient will receive the link and can download the file by simply clicking on it. The download option will appear, and by clicking on it, they can download the file to their device.